Our planet is saturated with man-made chemicals. Unfortunately, so are we. We're exposed to hundreds of harmful chemicals in the environment, and many of those are household cleaners. We assume most chemicals are tested for health risks, but did you know that only a small percentage of the more than 85,000 chemicals in use have been studied for their impact on our health? Or that indoor air pollution is one of the top 5 highest-ranking environmental health problems? Or that more than 200 chemicals have been found in the cord blood of infants? Chemicals are everywhere, and they're taking a toll. And the conventional cleaning industry isn't exactly transparent about ingredients. It's time for radical change. It's time for Norwex. Originating in Norway, one of the most environmentally friendly countries in the world, our products are redefining clean. Our consultants can offer effective solutions for healthier homes. Our flagship microfiber and superior cleaning and personal care products provide safer solutions for healthier families without harmful chemicals. Norwex offers sustainable solutions for a healthier, happier world by reducing waste from paper towels and other single-use items. Safe, effective, sustainable. It's our promise to the planet, it's our promise to families, it's our promise to you.